Hey guys, so today I'm working on my beautiful Jaguar F-Type. There's my XKR, by the way. So since I got the car about a year and a half ago, I always had this rattling issue that I was trying to figure out, which seemed like it was happening after you were going about 70 miles an hour. And yeah, for the longest time, I thought it was this piece here. So finally, after taking my time, because this was like a little bit loose, so finally I glued this piece together with some weather stripping, and to my surprise, I found that it did not resolve the issue, and it still rattled. So I kept on digging on the forums, and what I discovered is some people were saying that this weather stripping, I'll show you guys, that the weather stripping or this protective liner in the trunk here was kind of lost its stickiness. And to my surprise, sure enough, I go over here and it's completely loose on both sides. Well, not on this side anymore because I fixed this, okay? But what really blew my mind is the stickiness did not deteriorate here, okay? But all that happened is actually the factory did not remove the protective liner all the way on this rubber here. So all you need here is to actually remove the protective liner and this will stick right up. And I cannot believe this, honestly. I was dealing with this for a year and a half, couldn't figure out what's going on, and I can't believe that factory simply forgot to remove the liner. Here, I'll show you guys. This is what it looks like. It's just basically plastic that covers the sticky part. So yeah, all you have to do is I'm trying to hold my phone and show you guys what's going on here. Just a second. Peel it off. Look at this. You see this? This is all the issue is. They did not put this from factory. I believe they just forgot. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Just remove it all the way, and voila, the problem will be fixed. I mean, it fixed it on the right side. Yeah, I can't believe it. But one of those blunders. I can't think of a reason why Jaguar would actually leave that liner on there, because he would be making noise. Whoever had the car, I mean, was dealing with that noise all this time. So before me. All right, yeah, that's how you fix it. Just remove the liner, stick right up,